Find the line that passes through point -3, 1 and is parallel to y equals 1/3 x plus 7. We have to find the equation of the line. So the general form of line is y is equal mx plus b. M is the slope, b tells us about y-intercept. Because our line which we have to find must be parallel to this line, it means that they have to have the same slopes. If the slope of line given is 1/3, it means that slope of our line which we have to find must be 1/3. So m is equal 1/3, the same, because they are parallel. They have to have the same slope. So now we can substitute to our formula m by 1/3. So we have m, y is equal 1/3 x plus b. Our unknown is only b. We have to find the b, and we will have general form of our parallel line. What else we have given? We have given that this line must pass point -3, 1. So if the line must pass this point, it means we can substitute the first coordinate by -3 and the second by 1. So x is equal -3 and y is equal 1. So now to our equation we will substitute y by 1. 1/3 we copy, and x we will substitute by -3. b we have to rewrite. So our unknown is only b. 1 is equal 1/3 times -3. So 3 and 3 we can reduce. So we have -1 plus b. We will move -1 to the left side. So will be 1 plus 1 is equal b. So we have that b is equal 2. We found the b, so now we can write equation of our line which is parallel to this line, so the slope is the same. Copy x, and b we substitute by 2. So we found the line which is parallel to given line and which passes through this point. This is my solution.